When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
Hi, my name is Lucia Aguiar and I'm a fashion designer. I'm 100% Portuguese and I'm very proud of my culture and my background because my mom was a designer, so fashion is in my blood. I live fashion every day. The reason I decided about wedding dresses for me was the drama, the mystery. It was, to me, it's a fantasy of someone that day of the wedding.
I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
I came to the United States when I was 19 and I was fascinated with the bridal industry, so I went to New York. I went to FIT, one of the best fashion schools in New York, and from there my first job was in California and LA. We used to call Saison Blanche, and they used to be all high-end bridal dresses. Every time I tell my clients, I advise them at least have a year in advance to do their shopping for their weddings, because it takes 6 months to get the dress and 2 months to alter. So they don't feel under pressure, so you have more choices. You can buy expensive gown, but if you don't have somebody working on your gown, knows about tailoring, designing, the fit of the gown, that's what makes you very confident that day.
I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
This is the dress. Stores, we used to have a waiting list to get this dress into the store for brides. When stores used to know me for the very see-through silhouette. So I was known very European designer. My dress was not traditional. Everything was very sensual. All the laces was French lace. They used to wear from 1920s of lingerie. So the trends today, brides has a lot of choices. You can do the bohemian look. It's very chic. Also the nude colors underneath of the lace is very popular. Nudes, gold. It's everything very sheer, very sensual. As a designer, to me, you are the picture and the gown is the frame that goes around the picture.
I wonder where are you now?